I mean, if we're gonna start, we might as well dive right in. Hey guys, you asked so many good questions on Instagram for this Q&A. I said if you asked me good stuff, I'd give you some good, interesting answers. I've got all our Christmas presents. We are gonna wrap and answer some questions. I do get all my gift wrap from the dollar store or on clearance. Do it very savagely, it's fine. Every year we do pick a word that's our anthem word we want to carry over the whole year. Last year, my word was acceptance, and this year, my word is resilience. What's your word of 2020? Leave me a comment down below. I love babies and I love kids, but at the same time, our family of 4 feels really complete right now. So as of now, we have no plans to have any kids, unless you hand me your baby and I'm kissing its forehead, and then maybe we'll see. My all-time favorite YouTuber is a woman named Jonna Jinton. She's a Swedish vlogger, and oh my goodness, her videos will leave you breathtaken and struck. You will not be able to leave her channel, just trust me. And there have been so many changes on YouTube, especially now with all of the COPPA stuff. So all of the content that I put out has to be super identified for adults, which Doitonadime channel has always been. But we really can't rely on AdSense revenue, and that's the ads you see next to a video or before a video. So for me personally, that equates for only about 1/3 of my earnings. And about half of my earnings come from brand deals or sponsorships and integrations. I also sell printables. Thank you guys so much for those of you that have purchased those. But just knowing that I have some freedom to experiment and try keeps this all really genuine and something that I'm really proud of. Charlie loves what he does. He works in cybersecurity. So we always joke that I put all the information out on the internet and he protects it.
Hey.
A lot of them end up in my house. I use them for decor. I give some of them to my assistant or my friends, and there are some that I donate or I've enjoyed for a few years and then end up donating. A lot of the DIYs that I end up making don't work. We have to experiment with things, try new things, get the products, and really only the best of the best comes through on this channel of stuff that I would want to share with you guys. So, we are making mistakes so they don't have to.
Teach them to buy stuff from the store.
Charlie. I taught middle school Spanish and I got to see these kids grow up. So from like 6th grade to 8th grade, which is my favorite age ever. And there are definitely times when I miss being in the classroom, but overall, I'm really happy to be home more with my kids. If this whole YouTube thing completely implodes, you'll know exactly where to find me. I love them. I am not Latina and nobody in my family is Latino. Viví en Bilbao, en España, y luego en Salamanca. Y conseguí mi máster en lengua y cultura españolas. Pero esa parte de mi vida forma parte de la vida que tengo ahora y estoy súper orgullosa de poder hablar español. We are in full Christmas swing at the Sneerly household. Lots of questions for Charlie. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Yeah. So I've got Crohn's. If anyone doesn't know that. And in a couple months, I'm going to be getting a surgery to deal with some damage in my intestines. And hopefully after that, I'll kind of put some of this stuff behind us and start feeling real good.
I like that. We're just doing the best we can. So it's actually been super encouraging to get messages from you guys. I mean, so many people have reached out to share their experiences and just to know that we're not alone in that. Even other YouTubers, which has been just such a blessing. This is gonna be the 3rd Christmas without Adam, my brother, and it is really tough. But I would encourage anybody who's struggling, I got a lot of messages of people who are just really in it, to take the time and space that you need and do something to honor that person. They're not with you, but they're always with you.
Poor Adam. Adam had like a legit go. And it's like...
Seek help if you need to. You're not weak for needing to lean in, and remember that you are never alone. And there is joy again. So I got a lot of messages about that, and that was just on my heart to say.
This is my breakfast morning guilty pleasure, is this easy casserole. You can put this together the night before on Christmas Eve, and I bet you probably have all these things already at home. Lest we not forget, you also need ground mustard.
As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells ringing in the air. There are Christmas decorations all around. Tonight,
All you do is stick some saran wrap on top of this, and when you get up on Christmas morning, stick it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. As soon as you're done opening presents, you have a delicious casserole. It is so, so good.
I am so grateful for this community. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. Merry, Merry Christmas to you and yours. I love you guys so much. And if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
message was again ring true.